guys, it's a Friday shift. This is what I got. Neighborhood cafe. This is with a 22 ounce. 145 eh. Di ba ang laki na yun? Ilalagay ko siya dito para mapasok. This is for 145 pesos. And this is good for 24 hours na. 24 hours. 12 hours lang pa. And sandwich from Mommy Barb's. Let's eat, guys.